in response to the challenging and growing digitalization demand through the Internet of Things, Hirose's iX industrial connectors offer you a new generation of Ethernet interfaces. They are ideal for industrial applications in data networks, factory automation, and robotics sectors, and even play their strengths in public transportation. They are small, robust, and powerful. They make fast Ethernet available in every industrial application. Optimize SMT signal contact supports flexible PCB layout. Compact design commits to device miniaturization. A mounting pitch of only 10 mm enables significantly higher packing densities. Outstanding stability on the PCB ensures an absolutely reliable mechanical hold-down against shock and vibration. Optimized shielding design guarantees high EMC resistance. It is a future-proof interface that satisfies Cat6a performance. Hirose Electrics, connecting the future.